Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a very playful time with Thomas Rhett and Teddy Swims, Something About a Woman. Alright, so this is a cool, strong song from the both here, Teddy and Thomas. So let's go into this one. We have one main pattern that goes pretty much 95% of the song, except from a bridge part later on. We'll come to that. First, the setup, no need for any capo here, and we're gonna learn 5 chords. So let's go into the chords, starting with the 3 main chords, the G minor. So that's a bar chord. You're gonna play the index finger on the 3rd fret and push down all strings there. And then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. That's a G minor. You have the F, another bar chord here. This time you place your index finger on the 1st fret and push down all strings there as well. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have the C minor 7. Okay, so another bar on the 3rd fret this time. You only need to push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 5th on D and 4th on B. Okay, so these are the 3 main chords, G minor, F, and C minor 7. Then you go to the next 2 chords. You're gonna use them in the bridge part. The first one of them is the D minor 7. So you take the exact same grip from the C minor 7 and just move it 2 frets towards you, closer to your body like this. You'll land with the index finger on the 5th fret now. Cover the same 5 strings, push them down, and then you need to add 7th on D and 6th on B. Okay, that's a D minor 7. And then we also have the D sharp, okay? So for this specific chord now in this song, I use 2 bars. So the first one is on the 6th fret. You're gonna push down the 5 same strings as you used for the C minor and the D minor. So that's the first bar. The second bar, I place that in front of it on the 8th fret. So the first one is on the 6th fret and the second one is on the 8th fret. And you push down from the D string and down. What you're going to use here is basically the bass strings from this chord. So the A, D, G, perhaps the B also. So the mid strings there, that's what we're going to use for the D sharp chord. And that's it. So let's go into the song, starting with the main pattern. Like I said, G minor to F to the C minor. You're gonna play like this. Okay, that's one round. So you're gonna start with G minor, play 2 downs. So that's how I do it. So the first down is on the bass strings, and the second down is on the higher strings down there. If you want, you can replace that second down with a clap. That could also follow the same kind of rhythm as the other chords, but I, for this chord, like to play 2 downs. And with the second down there, I go somewhere in between. So the second down, I pretty much go 1 down and try to mute it. That gives us this kind of clap feeling as well. So it's somewhere in between just clean down and a clap. So like this, okay? It gives that clapping effect as well. So 2 downs, that's how I go with. What you can do is to just play 1 down and a clap like this. If you want to. It's up to you. So that's how I'm gonna teach 2 downs on G minor. Over to the next chord, the F. You're gonna play down, up, clap. Okay, so down, up, clap. That's it for F. And then you're gonna go to the C minor 7 and you're gonna play down, up, clap. So, okay, so it's not that distinct down, up. You have down, up, clap. Some relay to it, so. Okay, so if you have this a little bit kind of comes a little bit after, a short delay, so. And then down, up, clap, up follows after that. So the C minor will be down, up, clap, up. That's the end of the main pattern. So G minor, down, down, F, down, up, clap, and then C minor, down, up, clap, up, like this. Tempo. And so on. Okay, so you're gonna play like this till 1 minute and 52 seconds into the song. That's where the bridge part happens. Okay, and I show you that in the introduction of the tutorial. You're gonna start to play the D sharp, and now we're gonna work with just downs except for the last chord. So just one down per chord, so D sharp, then the D minor 7, and then C minor 7, a short pause, and then you're gonna play C again, and then D minor, and now into the second half of this. So you're gonna go back and play the D sharp again, then the D minor, and then C sharp, sorry, C minor. And then after the C minor, you have a pause, and then you go to the F chord and play 4 fast downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a clap. And that clap marks the end of this bridge. Okay, so that's how it goes. You're gonna have the first half, you're gonna play D sharp 1 down, D minor 1 down, and C minor 1 down. A pause, and then play C minor again, and then back to the D minor. And the second half goes D sharp, D minor, C minor, and pause, and then F, 4 fast downs, and clap, like this. And then comes the main. So that's all you need to handle Thomas Rhett and Teddy Swims' Something Bout A Woman. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, feel free to support me here at Growing Guitar. I really appreciate that. Hit this like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, of course, and let's do this together. Till next time, guys, play tuned.